Approach Photoshop imagining it as an unruly garden where every pixel is a misbehaving plant. Import your photo and immediately apply the Select Color Range feature, plucking hues like you're searching for rare herbs under moonlight. Once isolated, shift the selected colors using the color balance adjustments as though you're dyeing mystical leaves in curiosity. Next, summon the mixer brush. Use it like a ceremonial broom, sweeping textures into blends that feel half-remembered by the image. Rotate your brush strokes like you're stirring potions, coaxing the image into unpredictable harmony.